Hello guys, hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Faith. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful soft look. If you know you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell. Okay, so yeah guys, I just go straight to the video. So guys, you know how I do my brows every day, but today is a little bit more thicker and darker. Okay guys, so I'm using my deep brow pomade from Natasha in color ebony. So I'm just going to use it to shape my brows. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm just going to do it like that. So next I'll be doing it in my other left eyes the same way. Okay guys, so next I'm taking my concealer. I'm going to be using two shades today. One is from MAC and the other one is for Elegance. One is darker and one is lighter. I'm using the lighter one for my underbrows and the darker one for my upper brows because of my foundation. Okay guys, so I'm taking my brush from MAC. I'm just going to shape it through my brows. Okay guys, you see with the brush I'm just going to use it to really define the brows so it can be well shaped and clean. So I'm taking the concealer all the way down, so when I want to put my eyeshadow I won't be using too much concealer again. So yeah guys, I will just put the concealer all the way down and just blend it. Okay guys, so next I'm taking my brush from NYS. This brush is really soft. I'm using this brush to blend the concealer out. Okay, so yeah guys, next I'm taking my brush and I'm applying my MAC concealer, you know, to define my brows, my upper brows, sorry. So yeah guys, I'm just going to continue the process like that and blend with my beauty blender. So I'm taking my brow again, and because I want my brows to be really thicker, and I just blend it out again. So yeah guys, I'm applying my concealer from MAC. I'm not applying too much today. I'm applying a little bit, and I'm just going to apply it and blend it out with my beauty blender guys. So I'm just going to blend and blend and blend. Okay, so next I'm taking my eyeshadow from Natasha in color Love Letter. I don't know if you guys can really see it very well, so I'm using that color for a start, and I'm using my brush from MAC. I'm just going to use it to blend the eyeshadow out, you know, and I'll just blend it step by step. Okay guys, I love when it's really clean and beautiful, and I'm just going to blend it all the way from my crease to the down and to my upper brow. So guys, I'm blending it out real well. So next I'm taking the same eyeshadow but different colored in Venetian red, in color Venetian red, sorry. So I'm just going to use the same brush to blend it and blend it and blend it guys. So yeah, and I'm doing the same with my MAC eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is from those palettes you just you can pick from. You can choose any color from. I got it in MAC. I can't really remember the color. I really love the color. It's really beautiful, and I got this same one in MAC too. I picked the color. I chose the color myself. So yeah guys, I'm going to be using that color, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease. So yeah guys, I'm just going to blend it. Okay, and I'll blend it out from my on the brows, you see, in my crease area and everywhere. So this color is a really beautiful color, and yeah, and just blend and blend and blend. You know, I love when my eyeshadows are really clean and neat, you know, and beautiful. So that's why I'm really taking my time to blend it well so you guys can see. And plus the eyeshadow is really beautiful. So yeah guys, I'm just doing it all the way down from my crease to my eyes, everywhere. So yeah guys, this eyeshadow from MAC is really beautiful. It's really beautiful. I love it. Yeah guys, so here I'm trying to do it like a crease, you know, like I'm trying to do it like a cut crease, but not like that. And I'm just blending it all through the place. You see the way I'm taking my time and doing it. Yes, you see how beautiful this eyeshadow is. She's beautiful, really beautiful. Yeah, guys, so just take your time, blend. So yeah, guys, next I'm taking my foundation from Forever Door. I know you guys are tired of this foundation. That is me. Anytime I have new thing, I continue to use it and use it till I get tired of it. I don't know why. Generally, in everything I have. Anyway, yeah, guys, I'll just blend with my foundation. You see how beautiful. So next I'm taking my elegant concealer. I'm using it, though I'm using two concealer today. I'm just applying this one first, and I'll just blend it with my beauty blender. Yeah, guys. And next I'm using my concealer from MAC, and I'm applying it my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, and yeah, and I'll just blend with my beauty blender, guys. Blend and blend. The goal is to blend, right? So yeah, guys, I'll just blend it really well. And next I'm taking my darker concealer from Fenty Beauty, and I'm using my brush from MAC and applying it on my cheekbone. So yeah, guys, so I'm applying it there and just blending it really softly. So next I'm taking the same darker concealer for my nose, and I'm using the brush I got from NYS to apply it and to give it a really tiny shape, right? So yeah, guys, I'll blend it with my beauty blender. You see how beautiful it is now. And next I'm taking my banana powder. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender to apply it. Yeah, guys. So next I'm taking my brush from MAC and just applying my powder. I'm not applying too much, just a little bit, not too much. So guys, next I'm taking my eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to apply it under my waterline, and then I'm taking my next. So I'm taking the eyeshadow with the same my brush I got from NY. So I'm just going to apply it there, and then I'm taking my eyeshadow again from MAC, and I'm just applying it to my eyes too. And yeah, you can see how bright it is now. So yeah, guys, next I'm taking my highlighter. It's like a highlighter and a blush, really beautiful. I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. I got it from MAC. Then my lip gloss, I got it from Victoria's Secret, and it's a gift. I really love it. It's shiny and beautiful. So next I'm taking my pencil and just line my beautiful soft lips, okay? And yeah, and I'm just going to apply it there. Yeah, now it's time for me to wear my earrings, and next I'm going to fix my hair. Right back. Damn. Okay, guys. What lace, guys? And guys, this is the beautiful finished look. I really love this look. I love how it came out, And yeah, guys, please comment below and tell me what you think about this look. Comment below and tell me, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like, okay? And stay safe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you. Bye.